Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I want to teach you how you can use Ichimoku Cloud for trading. It's a multi-purpose indicator that you can use for identifying trends, evaluating momentum, defining support and resistance levels, and having trading signals for entering in the direction of trends. If you're interested to learn this awesome indicator, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, here we go. We got the Ichimoku Cloud indicator here on this chart. It's actually an overlay, and as you can see, it's overlaid on the price chart. At first, when you see this indicator, it may seem a little complicated and difficult to interpret, but don't worry, it's a very simple indicator and easy to understand. You can simply interpret it and use it for trading. Okay, let's see what we got here. Each of these lines and shapes have a Japanese name, but in this video, we use the translated English words. The blue line you see here, which is the fastest line and moving closely to the price action, is called the conversion line. It's the most sensitive line among others in this indicator. The calculation of the conversion line is based on 9-period high plus 9-period low divided by 2. The red line, which is called baseline, moves slower in comparison to the conversion line. In other words, we see more lags with this line. It's calculated similarly to the conversion line, but for 26 periods. 26 period high plus 26 period low divided by 2. Pay attention that the behavior of the conversion line and the baseline is similar to moving averages. Here also you can see the 9-period line, the blue line, moves fast and close to the price action, and the 26-period line, the red line, moves slower and lags behind the blue line. These red and green areas are called clouds, and as you can see, it's formed by the help of these green and red lines. The green line is called leading span A, and it's calculated based on conversion line plus baseline divided by 2. And the red one is called leading span B, and it's calculated based on 52 period high plus 52 period low divided by 2. Similar to moving averages, the red line moves slower in comparison to green one because the red line is calculated based on longer periods, 52 periods, and green line is calculated based on 9 and 6 period, so it's more sensitive and moves faster and closer to the price action. Please pay attention that the cloud is the leading component of this indicator, and these two lines, leading span A and leading span B, are shifted forward and they are plotted 26 periods in the future. And the last one, this green line that sometimes moves close and sometimes far from the price action, is called lagging span, and it's actually closing price that is plotted 26 days in the past. Alright, now let's see how we interpret Ichimoku clouds. The most important component of this indicator is cloud, and as I just explained, it's formed based on these two lines, leading span A and leading span B. We use clouds to identify the overall trend, evaluating the momentum and strength of the trend, and also to define possible support and resistance levels that may hold in the future. When the prices are above the cloud, the trend is up. When the prices are below the cloud, the trend is down, and when the prices are in the cloud, the market is flat and moving sideways. For example, here we have Bitcoin chart. The time frame is daily, and in this part the price is above the cloud and it indicates that the trend is up. Here it goes in the cloud, which shows the market is flat at this point, and here it goes below the cloud, indicating the trend is down. If you remember, leading span A, the green line, moves faster and closer to the price action in compared to leading span B, the red line. So when the leading span A, the green line, is above the leading span B, actually the cloud is green and the green line is rising and moving further away from the red line, it shows that the momentum is reinforced and the uptrend is gaining strength. And when leading span A, the green line, is below the red line, actually the cloud is red and the green line is falling and moving further away from the red line, it shows the momentum is reinforcing and the downtrend is gaining strength. As I explained, leading span A and leading span B are shifted forward and they are plotted 26 periods in the future. So the cloud also provides a possible future support and resistance level that may hold. For example, here you can see that we have the cloud in the future and it shows the possible resistance area that may hold at this level. As I said at the beginning of this video, we can also use the Ichimoku cloud for trading signals. For this purpose, we use the conversion line, the baseline, and the price. Please pay attention that by the help of this indicator, we only enter a trade in the direction of the overall trend to have a more reliable trading entry. Because for example, when we have a bullish signal and the overall trend is up, the possibility of getting the expected result is much higher in comparison to a situation to enter a trade against the direction of the overall trend. The same goes for bearish signals. Bearish signals when the overall trend is down are more safe and reliable to get the expected result. Alright, now let's see how we trade based on the Ichimoku cloud. When the price is above the cloud, in other words, the trend is up, we have a bullish signal and we enter a long position when the conversion line crosses above the baseline. For example, here you can see that the Bitcoin price is above the cloud, indicating the trend is up, and we must look for bullish signals where the conversion line, the blue line, crosses above the baseline, the red line. Here you can see that the bullish crossover happens. The blue line crosses above the red line, and it gives us the signal to buy Bitcoin or enter a long position. Here also we have another bullish crossover and also another one here. And when the price is below the cloud, in other words, the trend is down, a bearish signal is triggered and we enter a short position when the conversion line crosses below the baseline. For example, here the price is below the cloud, indicating the trend is down, and we must look for bearish crossovers where the blue line crosses below the red line. That could possibly happen here. In another example for the US dollar to Japanese yen, here the price is below the cloud, which means the trend is down, and we have some bearish crossovers that gives us the opportunity of entering a short position, like here that the blue line crosses below the red line, and also here and another one here. And after that, the price goes above the cloud, indicating the trend is up. And here we have a bullish crossover. The blue line crosses above the red line, and it provides us the opportunity of entering a long position here at this point. Here the price is in the cloud, and you may decide not to enter a long position because it's a little risky for being in the cloud. But anyway, the price advanced after that, as you can see. Please pay attention that when the trend is strong, like here, conversion line and baseline crossover may rarely happen. We can also have other kinds of trading signals that are based on the price and the baseline or even the conversion line. Please pay attention that these signals that are based on price crossovers are less reliable in comparison to conversion line and baseline crossover, but an aggressive trader may take the risk and enter based on these signals. For example, here an aggressive trader may decide to enter a long position here when the price crosses above the conversion line, or another one here, or here in this downtrend that I explained about these conversion line and baseline crossovers. An aggressive trader may choose to enter earlier when the price crosses below the baseline or conversion line, and this can provide them a better entry price. But as I said, this is not always the case, and these signals are less reliable and can expose more risk to your position. Ichimoku Cloud is a comprehensive and versatile indicator that can be used effectively for trading, but like any other tools, to have a more reliable trade and reduce your risk as much as possible, you must use Ichimoku Cloud in conjunction with other tools and concepts of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.